Hey kids! Welcome to Little Stars Quiz Time. Today we're going to have so much fun with some cool questions. Are you ready to show how much you know? Let's start. First question. What animal goes moo and gives us milk? If you said cow, you're right. Next up, what's the tallest animal in the world with a super long neck? Yep, a giraffe. Now, here's a tricky one. What's orange, has a bushy tail, and loves to collect nuts? That's right, a squirrel. Next question. What's the fastest land animal that runs super fast? That's right, a cheetah. Zoom, zoom. I'm the king of the jungle and have a big loud roar. Who am I? If you guessed lion, you're right. Great job. Next up, I'm big, gray, and have a long trunk. Can you name me? Yes, I'm an elephant. Well done. Now here's a tricky one. I have black and white stripes and love to run fast. What animal am I? That's right, I'm a zebra. Last question. I live in cold places and love to slide on the ice. What animal am I? Yes, I'm a penguin. Fantastic. You did an amazing job, little stars. Keep learning and exploring the animal kingdom with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quiz fun.